Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create an account in Todoist. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to Todoist.com. Once you're in the screen, click on Login, and then you can choose to either continue with Google, with Facebook, or with Apple. So, I'm going to use my Google account. Click here, then click the account that you wish to use, and then click on continue to allow permissions. Then wait for a few seconds, and once you see the screen, you're simply gonna do 4 simple steps. First, click on let's go, and then you can change your name, and after, once it says looking good, you can click on continue. And then you need to choose whether it's going to be a personal account or for a team. For this video, I'm going to choose for myself. And then you're going to pick an option on what you're going to use this the most. So it's going to use A. And then you can either connect it with Google Calendar, connect it with Outlook Calendar, or you can simply skip this step for now. And once you see this welcome to Todoist, click on continue, and that's it. You've successfully created an account for Todoist. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!